Puro kayo reklamo. Reklamo kayo na reklamo. Wala na kayong ginawa kundi magreklamo.
O eh, paano? Gusto mo lagi ikaw na lang ang tama.
Eh, dapat lang. Dahil dapat ako ang nasusunod sa bahay na to.
Eh, dinagawin na lang tayo.
I feel ready, but my
Sorry,
legs
sorry.
heavy. I don't get it.
Sorry,
How
good
come I
job.
haven't hit it already?
store.
Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching.
thinking.
Finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises. You ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence. I got this. I will not quit, man. I'm on it, honest. I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5. I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking.